Hello crafty people, got a little design update for you. It's also a little teaser to my upcoming Valentine's Day project, a box with a spring-loaded lid. And I wanted to make a video about the spring-loaded lock I've created for this. What I have here is a spring-loaded lock, and it has two key components, a gear with a spiral spring in it, and a lever to tension it. I took the inspiration for this design from an awesome instructables page created by Turbo Sunshine about a print-in-place spring-loaded box. It explains everything in detail. It's an awesome page and I recommend you read it if you want to create your own spring-loaded lock. I'll put the link in my link tree. The first thing I had to figure out is the correct tension. It has to have enough power to lift a lid when it's unlatched. And there's two ways to do this. The first way is to make the spiral thicker, so add more material. The drawback here is that you need more power to close it, so it adds more tension, but you need more power. And you also have a limited amount of real estate in here to make things thicker. A second way is to pre-tension it. When it comes off the printer, there's no tension on the spring whatsoever. It comes off the build plate like this, so no tension whatsoever. And once you engage the lever, that's when the tension is created. But you can pre-tension it by lifting the gear up a bit and moving it like so. Now you can feel it already. It's harder to close now. There's more resistance. You can see here it's already the tension is quite great already. To secure the spring-loaded lock, I've used the latch to lock into place, and it's unlatched by a simple lever that unhooks the latch. The spring lock is print in place and needs a minimum amount of supports for the frame here, 3 supports, and it takes about 30 minutes to print, which is nice if you want to iterate on it and create a lot of test prints. Most of you know me from my shadow boxes and more art all the time, but what I really like is solving these engineering problems with a 3D printer and a CAD program.